Peptides versus Botox, the Instagram myth that just won't die. I was scrolling Instagram the other day purely for research purposes when I saw a post confidently declaring that Botox is so yesterday. Apparently, what the modern world needs now is peptides, copper peptides, Argireline, Matrixyl, and according to the post, peptides don't just replace Botox, they are better than Botox. Let's slow down, because here's the spoiler. None of these molecules are new, and none of them do what Botox does. So today on Chai Files, let's calmly and scientifically talk about what peptides actually are, what they can and cannot do, and what botulinum toxin really is. What are peptides really? Peptides are short-chain amino acids. Think of them as text messengers between your cells. They don't build the house, they send instructions. Depending on the sequence, a peptide might say, make more collagen, heal faster, reduce inflammation, calm down. In skincare, peptides are signaling molecules. They improve skin behavior, not muscle movement. And this distinction matters a lot. The Instagram Trinity: copper, Argireline, Matrixyl, copper peptide. Copper peptides has existed since 1970s. They support wound healing, collagen production, and skin repair. What they do not do, they do not relax muscles, they do not erase expression lines, and they do not replace Botox. They improve skin quality, not facial movement. Argireline, or acetyl hexapeptide 8, often called Botox in a bottle, which is optimistic. Argireline mildly reduces neurotransmitter release at skin surface. The keywords here are mild, surface layer, and temporary. Calling this Botox is like calling green tea chemotherapy. Matrixyl, or palmitoyl peptides. Matrixyl stimulates collagen production and improves texture. It's an excellent supporting actor, but it does not stop your corrugator muscles from frowning at your inbox. The critical truth: wrinkles are not all the same, and this is where social media skips anatomy. Wrinkles are not the same. Some are caused by collagen loss, some are caused by muscle movement. Peptides work on the skin, Botox works on the muscle. One does not replace the other. Quick pause. If this episode has already saved you from buying a very expensive serum with unrealistic expectations, this is the part where YouTube politely asks me to ask you to like and subscribe. No pressure, no affirmations. No smash the button. Just subscribe if you enjoy calm, evidence-based explanations that don't assume your face is a moral failing. All right, back to science. What botulinum toxin, or Botox, actually is. Botulinum toxin, or Botox, is one of the most studied molecules in medicine. It has been used in neurology, ophthalmology, dentistry, urology, and rehabilitation medicine. Long before aesthetics, its mechanism is simple. It blocks acetylcholine release at the neuromuscular junction. So translation, it tells overactive muscles to stop shouting. What Botox can do when done well. Botox is not about freezing faces, it is about precision. When used correctly, it can soften your frown lines, it can reduce your forehead creases, it can open up the eye areas, and it can slim the jaw. It can even prevent deep wrinkles from forming. Bad Botox is obvious. Good Botox is invisible. If people can tell you've had it, it wasn't done well. Why the peptides replace Botox myth exists? This narrative exists because peptides are easy to sell. No needles, no doctors, no regulation. Excellent marketing. But science does not work on vibes. Peptides improve skin quality, Botox modulates muscle movement. Aging happens at multiple anatomical layers. There is no miracle molecule. If aging were that simple, dermatology textbooks would be much shorter and I'll be out of a job. So like, subscribe, and share Chai Files because myths wrinkle faster than skin.